Hey there, creative minds! Today we've got something super exciting to talk about. Canva AI. That's right. Canva just got a futuristic upgrade, and we're here to explore how it can revolutionize your design game. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is Canva AI? So, what exactly is Canva AI? Well, it's like having a creative assistant right at your fingertips. Canva AI uses artificial intelligence to make your design process faster, smarter, and even more fun. Segment 2. Smart design suggestions. Imagine this. You're designing a flyer for your upcoming event. With Canva AI, as you start creating, it suggests colors, fonts, and even layouts that will make your design pop. It's like having your own personal design guru guiding you along the way. Segment 3. Image enhancement. Now, let's talk about images. You know how important visuals are in design, right? Canva AI can analyze your images and suggest enhancements. It can help you adjust brightness and contrast, and even recommend filters to give your pictures that extra oomph. Segment 4. Text magic. Don't worry if you're not a typography expert. Canva AI has got your back. It can recommend font pairings that work seamlessly together. Plus, it helps with text alignment and spacing, and even suggests text effects to make your words pop off the page. Segment 5. Time saver. Time is precious, especially when you're juggling multiple projects. Canva AI can save you heaps of time by automating repetitive tasks. So, you can focus on the fun part, being creative. Segment 6. Customization. But wait, there's more. Canva AI isn't here to take over, but to assist. You're always in control and can customize its suggestions to match your unique style and preferences. Segment 7. Fun features. And here's the cherry on top. Canva AI comes with some playful features too. It can generate fun design ideas, even if you're stuck in a creative rut. Just ask it for inspiration, and you'll be amazed at what it comes up with. Segment 8. Conclusion. So there you have it. Canva AI, your new best friend in the world of design. It's here to make your life easier, your design stunning, and your creative journey a blast. If you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and give it a spin. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay creative.